I handle a ton of DUI cases every year, as we call it in Ohio, OVI cases. To date, I've handled close to 3,000 cases total, including tons of them with blood and urine results. Blood and urine goes to a crime lab. Most attorneys get a lab result back and look at it and tell their client, you're screwed, they've got a result. I look at it and say, now let's have some fun. I've been through 160 hours of classroom and lab work in Chicago, learning to run the instruments that they use at these crime labs. I've probably got more lab time and instruction time than most of the people working in these crime labs. It's insane. Most attorneys have no fucking clue what these machines look like. They probably can't even spell the science used. I've been there. I've done enough training that the American Chemical Society has named me as a lawyer scientist. In the state of Ohio, there are 6 of us, and there's no one south of Columbus that has this accreditation. If a cop walks up to your car window, he's not there to invite you to a golf outing. He's there to question you about something with regard to your driving. When they ask for your license, give it to them. Give them your insurance. If he asks where you're coming from, quite frankly, it's none of their fucking business where you're coming from, and it's none of their fucking business where you're going to. If they ask you if you've been drinking, you have 2 choices. You can either say yes, if in fact you've been drinking, or you can say, officer, I understand my rights. I'm not answering your questions. I want an attorney if you want to question me. At that point, they're probably going to get you out of the car. If you do say yes, because guess what? It's legal to drink and drive. That's why all bars have parking lots. That's why all judges and prosecutors have beer and alcohol at their fundraisers. It's legal to drink and drive. So if you say yes and they ask you how much, where, what, we go back to my other comment. It's none of their fucking business, so don't tell them. At that point, you revert to, if you want to ask me any other questions, I want an attorney. So every year, Ohio Association of Criminal Defense Lawyers puts on an annual seminar to teach other attorneys how to handle DUI cases and how to fight them. Every year, I'm one of the presenters there, and almost year in and year out, I get introduced as the guy who does more DUI trials than any other attorney in Ohio. I don't ask for that introduction, but I get it. I probably can't prove that I do, but I have never met another attorney in the state who has done more DUI trials than me. Getting an attorney involved immediately who knows how to defend a case is critical to making sure evidence is collected that's going to benefit your defense and every other aspect of the case is looked into.